How to download and install Messenger app. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. Messenger app can easily be found on your Google Play Store. So the first step is you need to open up your Google Play Store on your device. And you'll be able to see the search bar at the upper section. You need to simply tap on that and search for Messenger. Once you search for that, you'll be able to see the app. You have to simply tap on install option at the right hand side, and it will take a few minutes to install it, which depends upon your internet connection. Once you open up the app, you can log into your account, and by doing that you'll be able to video call and audio call and also text with your friends worldwide. You just need an internet connection to do so. There are so many exciting features of Messenger which you can log in and try on your own. And after a few minutes you can see Messenger app has been installed on my device. From over here you can simply go for open option and you can log into your account and use Messenger. So this is how you download and install Messenger app. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.